Hey YouTube, this is the 40 Watt Garage. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I just received another box from Marlin Enterprises, and they sent me a little item that they thought I would like to put onto my Factory 5 Mark IV Roadster. These are the same people that manufactured the tow bar kit, the eyelet for flatbedding your car. And so let's see what they sent. Here's my new box, and we'll open it up here and see what is inside. Again, very nice box, well packaged, and have the instruction sheet. And it is the American flag kit. What I have is wrapped in bubble. Almost looks like it's completely pre-assembled. And we have the American flag with a mast and a clamping kit. And then in the package, looks like an assortment of different sized adapters for this clamp and some 3M non-slip material, and an instruction sheet that's on some nice, again, heavy cardstock. This looks like a nice piece of equipment here. Looks like a die-cast aluminum bracket, Allen screws to secure it, polished aluminum shaft. Flag can't come up off the top. There's a O-ring to hold it in position. Appears that if you wanted to fly something else than the American flag, if you had your favorite sports team or your state flag or something, or your particular country's flag, if you're not from the States, you could get that. Flag looks to be made out of some nice heavy nylon type material, screen printed, heavy duty webbing. This thing should be able to whip in the wind and survive really well. Let's go, let's see what it takes to install this. Well, I've got the installation instructions here, and it says that the kit is shipped with rubber inserts pre-installed to fit the Factory 5 Racing 1 1/2 inch roll bar. Well, that is what is equipped on my car, so I do not have to go through steps 2 and 3, which are, if your roll bar is not an FFR part, determine the diameter of your roll bar. Then 3, choose the correct combination of rubber inserts to fit your roll bar diameter. Those are those other pieces that we showed in the first part of the movie. Now it's determine where you'll be positioning the American flag kit on your roll bar, and I think I'm going to have it right here. So they recommend you place some towels or padding underneath your selected position to protect the paint during installation. Well, I can see that because if you slip or let it drop while you're putzing around, you will probably chip the paint. So we will put a towel underneath there. And Next step is trap the roll bar with the brackets, then install and gently snug the supplied socket head screws and lock washers. You know, the one thing they did not mention, maybe they'll correct the instructions on subsequent units, is to tell you what size Allen wrench you need. And this turned out to be a 5/32, or I believe a 4mm would work. So we've got those loosened. Try to keep my hands out of the frame as much as we can. And I'm going to put this on here. And put this on there. And get that one started. Get the thread started on that one. Yeah, I could see where you could potentially get loose with this thing and it would drop down. And I think I'm going to have it pivoted about like that, so it's coming straight off and just a little bit above the body work. Now it says adjust your bracket to the final position and securely tighten the screws, staggering the tightening sequence. Do not over tighten as it may strip the threads. Well, it is an aluminum block and they're stainless steel screws, so yeah, you don't want to over tighten it. It's tightening down very easily, so it is definitely the correct combination of rubber inserts. And I've got the gap closed to about a 1/16 inch front and rear, and it's not that I can't twist it, but it takes some serious effort to twist it, and I don't think I need to tighten it any more than that. Remove my protective towel, and there we have it. Well, there you have it installed on the car. Even with my narration, it took less than 5 minutes, and I think it looks really good. Well, thank you to Marlin Enterprises for producing another top quality product. You can get yours at roadstertowbar.com, and we'll see you on the next little project. Till next time.